In this video, I'll show you how to install BuddyPress Hashtags and enable hashtag support in your BuddyPress activity stream. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add New Click. Upload plugin at the top. Choose the BuddyPress Hashtags zip file and click Install. Now, once installation is complete, click Activate. BuddyPress Hashtags requires BuddyPress to be installed and active. If BuddyPress is already running on your site, you're ready to continue. Next, go to Settings and click BuddyPress Hashtags. This is where you control how hashtags behave across your community. First, make sure hashtags are enabled for activity updates. You can also define the minimum hashtag length and other behavior rules. Hashtags are automatically converted into clickable links. No extra setup needed. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now, let's see how hashtags work for your members. Members can add hashtags directly inside their activity updates. Hashtags automatically turn into links when the activity is posted. Clicking on a hashtag shows all related activity in one place. This makes content easier to discover and helps organize conversations inside your community. And that's it. You've installed BuddyPress Hashtags and enabled hashtag-powered conversations in your community. And that's it. You've successfully installed BuddyPress Hashtags and enabled hashtag-powered conversations in your community.